This lemon basil pesto is so good and so healthy for your kidney diet. It's super easy to make and you're going to enjoy it. So let's get started. Hello, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm going to make a lemon basil pesto that is delicious and very kidney friendly because it's very low in sodium and you can use it in lots of different things. So we're going to have basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, lemon juice, olive oil, and pepper. That's what we're going to use today to make the pesto. And again, you can use it on lots of different recipes to add an extra sauce that is yummy. It's good warm. It's good a little bit cold. So let's do it. All right, now that we've washed and dried our basil leaves, we're going to put part of them into the blender and kind of do them a little bit at a time. We're going to add the garlic so the garlic can get minced up in there. And I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to help it to process. I'm going to continue to add the basil leaves until they're all in there and all starting to get processed. And continue to add a little bit of olive oil. I like to go in because it's really hard to process sometimes. I like to go in and kind of mix things around a little to get it down in there processing. All right, so now we've added all the basil. We're going to add the rest of the olive oil. And we're going to start and add the lemon juice. You can see it's starting to smooth out. Now that it's smoothed out and we've got that delicious heart-healthy olive oil in there and the basil leaves are almost all processed, I'm going to add the rest of the lemon juice, the pine nuts, and the black pepper. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C and pine nuts are high in magnesium, so they can be great for your heart. After I add the pine nuts, I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese to this as well. So everything's in there. And then we're going to process it some more till it's smooth. We're just wanting a very smooth sauce. Okay, now that's it. Our lemon basil pesto is all done. And I pour it into a mason jar and use that to keep it for a couple days. Makes about 2.5 cups, so it's a perfect addition to your sauces that you use. There you have it. Our lemon basil pesto is all done. It's very delicious. I pour it into the mason jar. Oh, got a little tartness from the lemon and Parmesan cheese. And then this would be perfect on any of your rice dishes, any of your pasta dishes. Just a delicious addition and a little bit spicy. You don't need the salt. Thanks for watching today. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and let me know more about what you're looking for in a recipe.